Hello Internet, and welcome to this documentation of my lockpicking adventures. I think I have finally figured out how to get these small ABUS locks open, so with luck we'll do that now. There we go. Alright. So, what was happening with these is that I was actually using a tension wrench that was a slight bit wider than the one I ultimately ended up using. So, if you see this little notch here on the keyway, my tension wrench was slipping on that and ending up angled like so, and was constantly getting in my way. Which is why I tried to top of the keyway tension, which I've still haven't mastered at all. But I was able to get a slightly smaller tension wrench. I was able to sit on that notch and stay there as long as I didn't apply too much pressure on the tension wrench. And that's what ultimately opened up these small ABUS locks for me. So, wasn't a new skill that ultimately got these open up, but a refinement of an existing skill. So, thank you for watching. Subscribe if you like, and have a nice day.